Hi guys, hope you well. I've missed you a lot. It's been 2 days. I haven't vlogged on Saturday and Sunday, and I hope to continue with the vlogmas tomorrow on Monday. So today I want to do a review of the air fryer. I've never done a review since I bought it. The last time I tried using it didn't come out the best. So I want to try again this time round and see if it was a worth purchase or it was just a waste of time. And I'm going to make chicken and fries using the air fryer. So because it's still quite early, let me just marinate this and give it like 30 minutes for me to start cooking. So yeah, let's do that right now. Dark soy sauce, I like this. I like the way this salad dressing tastes, so I'm going to add it just a little bit because it has like a bitter taste, like a spicy taste in a way, and massage it. Let me add a little bit of cooking oil, just a little. I think that's a lot, but it's okay. Let it sit for like 30 minutes or so before I start cooking. It's still quite early. Yeah, it's still quite early because it's around 6 or so. With the fries, I'm just going to add salt and cooking oil. If you add too much cooking oil, the air fryer will how will I put it? There will be too much smoke in the air fryer. You put a lot of cooking oil. We're going to wait for at least 30 minutes and then start cooking. It's still early. So you can imagine if this is all the preparation I need. I had already chopped the tomatoes before and defrosted the chicken. So imagine that's all the preparation I need. So the next thing will be to put it in the air fryer, but we're going to wait for a little longer. I only have one socket in the kitchen and it's quite high up, so, and the cord is This cord is too short, so I'm just going to cook from here. Let it cook for like maybe 10 minutes. Then add the chicken. I don't know what's happening. Let's wait and see now. Because I seriously do not understand what's going on. This is why you need a man. Because by now, he probably would have already figured out what's wrong. I might have to change the plan and probably cook the normal way until I figure out what's going on with this air fryer. I'm going to cook at least 15 minutes on this side, then turn it again on the other side and cook at least 15 minutes. So in total at least 30 to 40 minutes. I had already cooked the fries for at least 10 minutes before. Then I added the chicken on top. Let's see if it cooks and how it cooks. I still don't know how to set in terms of the degrees and all that, but I'm learning. Let's see how it's going to come out today, and we are going to perfect the skills next time. I'm going to turn this and let it cook on the other side for at least 15 minutes or so, and I believe they will be ready. Let it cook for 15 minutes, and I believe it will be ready for consumption. Finally, guys, my supper is ready. Other than the fact that my air fryer had some problems, I think it's a worth purchase. You see, the fries are not like deep fried, so they're a bit healthier. I know it's just touch, but they're a bit healthier than the usual one that I deep fry in the cooking oil. Also, the chicken, it was easy to make, so let's have it. Guys, my food is finally ready, and yeah, this is what I'm going to have: the fries, chicken, and the salad. I don't say coleslaw, but it's salad, and a glass of juice. I always have a problem with my stomach. I have a very sensitive stomach. That's why I don't like too much deep fried foods. I'm actually more of a sweet tooth kind of person. Like, I take wheat a lot, more than I do the deep fried foods. Thank you guys for your time. It's been a very chilled Sunday. Not much went on this weekend. I was supposed to go on a road show, but things happened and I didn't make it. So I've been in the house for the past 2 days. Actually, I just opened the door like 2 hours ago. It's 9 p.m. and I just opened this door like 7. I haven't stepped out the whole day since yesterday. And I kind of woke up late today. I lost sleep again last night. I think I slept in the morning and I woke up at around 10. And because somebody called me, otherwise if I didn't receive the phone call, I might have slept till later. So I would definitely recommend the air fryer. It makes your work a bit easier. And I still need to figure out what happened with the air fryer today. I don't know if it's because of the pest, because there are so many pests in my house. I need to like pest control them. So that might be one of the reasons. And there are so many. I don't know at what point does the cockroach end. I don't know at what point, but I need to take action. So yeah, I got the air fryer from Warenga Haven Kitchen Essentials. I'll include her number on the screen somewhere. And mine is a Desini Rahina ama Regina, however you would like to call it. But she sells any kind of air fryers. She sells any kind of models. So you choose whichever model you'd like. I think I chose mine because I liked how it looked, the design, although it's quite complicated in terms of the settings and all that, but there's always a manual. It's not like life where you don't know what will happen tomorrow. The best thing with electronics is it always comes with a manual and you can always refer, and there are so many tutorials online, so you can always Google and such kind of things. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video. I'm just going to do my nighttime routine. I'm just going to do my usual nighttime routines and call it a night. So yeah, this video is going to go up tomorrow on Monday. I don't remember dates anymore, but it's the last week before Christmas. Is it the week for Christmas? No, it's the last week before Christmas. I think next week should be Christmas. So tomorrow will be the last Monday before Christmas. Yeah, this just reminded me that I needed to send money for Chama. Yeah, have a good night. Thank you very much for the subscription. We are at 994. 7 more subscribers to 1,000 subscribers. So please, I'm begging you, very humbled, help me get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year, and I'll appreciate it. So yeah, have a good night.